Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next we'll be making giraffes. So for that we'll be needing these sticks or pins like this and fix it. Now take a hard thread and fold it like this to make the face of the giraffe. Tie it like this and fold it to make its neck and fix them, and it's ready. So now moving forward, we'll be taking the string or a spring like shape and fix it like this by rolling it. Now we have to take small wires and then we have to cut it and fix it like this. So put the pearls like this in the between as well and keep fixing it, and your Christmas tree is ready. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking this string and then roll it like this. So roll it carefully, do not hurt yourself. Now after folding it, we'll be making few more as such and fix them like this. After fixing all of them, we'll be fixing it inside the water bottle like this over it, decorate it, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a glass and then we'll be rolling the rod against it like this and give it a proper shape as shown in the video. Make its face like this and roll it. Now after that, we have to roll it and fix it like this. Now we have to again make these spiral lines and fix it, and your pen or paper stands are ready. You can hold anything inside it and it's done. So now we'll be taking the wire like this and then we'll be rolling it around a pink color stone like this. Now roll it to make its eyes and fix it over the clay or a stone like this. Now take the papers or the quilling papers, roll it with the help of the roller and then make one more as such or few more as such, and it's done. We'll be taking these stapler pins. Now after that, put them like this and make a circle. Now in the between, you can take a stick like this and fix it to make a space and pinch it like this. Now press them and fix it. Now put a stone over it like this and fix the chain inside it, and your beautiful pendant and a necklace is ready. I hope you liked it. Take these stapler pins and then we have to fold them little bit like this. You can use the instruments or equipments we have used here. So now fold it like this. Now after that, fix the hook over it like this to fix the chain, and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making the wires in the shape as shown in the video. So fold it like this. Now after folding it, you have to put a pebble like this. Make a beautiful shape and the legs of it as shown in the video. Now after that, you have to fix it like this. Now put it downwards from the sides, and it's done. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.